Health officials closer to home are adapting to make resources available to those who qualify for the third dose right now, starting with the immunocompromised.
But tonight they tell us they are still concerned about the low vaccination rates. WSAV News 3's Jessica Coombs has our top story. She is joining us now live from Memorial Health.
Memorial Health says they saw their highest number on record of COVID-19 admissions just yesterday. Their chief medical officer says they believe the only way to keep businesses open and kids in school is to get our communities masked and vaccinated.
How do you bring folks to the table that have not pursued vaccination yet at all? They haven't even got their first dose. And I think it is, again, reaching out to them, recognizing their concerns, giving them a voice and honestly someone to give trusted advice to them about the benefits. A vaccination is never just about you. It's about protecting yourself, your family, and your entire community.
With 127 COVID-19 patients and 36 of them in the ICU, Thacker says hospital staff are exhausted.
The reality is we're going to be talking about variants for this virus for likely years to come until we have a global solution for vaccination. Some will be harmful to us, some will spread quicker, and some may be both.
They've seen an increase in the number of pediatric and neonatal admissions. Staff say a surge in these childhood cases can be linked to a lack of guidance across the board mask mandates.
All of them either did not encourage masking or made it very optional, and I think we're seeing some of the consequences of that. That said, every school, whether they're masking or not, has to have layered approaches to protection, really focusing on how we keep kids distance, making sure that families are hearing the message that we shouldn't send our kids to school sick, and also making sure that our communities have access to testing. I have a 13-year-old son who I vaccinated as soon as it was available, and it was definitely the right choice to make because it helps myself and my wife and my family have confidence that he is more protected as we re-enter into in-person schooling.
Memorial Health is hosting pop-up vaccine clinics every Thursday at the Children's Hospital. That'll be from 3:30 to 5 p.m. geared towards families and kids, giving them an opportunity to come out and get their shot. They'll continue to offer them as long as they say there's a need in the community. Live in Savannah, Jessica Coombs, WSAV News 3 on your side.